Is your iPhone acting possessed? Screen frozen, apps crashing, or just running like it's stuck in molasses? Don't panic, you don't need a repair shop and you definitely won't lose your photos. Today I'm showing you the secret handshake of iPhone troubleshooting, the forced restart. This is the number one trick to fix 90% of iPhone glitches in under 30 seconds. Stick around because if the first try doesn't work, I'll show you the most common mistake people make that stops the reset from happening. To get this right, you need to locate 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and the long side button. Step 1, click and release the volume up button. Now quickly click and release the volume down button, and now hold the side button. Do not let go when you see the slide to power off bar. If you let it go, then you failed. Keep holding the side button through the darkness until Apple logo pops back up on the screen. Think of this as a power nap for your phone's processor. It clears out the junk code causing the freeze and reloads everything fresh. Your photos, text, and high scores are all 100% safe. If it didn't work, you probably weren't fast enough on the first 2 clicks. Try it again, but treat it like a quick 1, 2, 3 rhythm. There we go. Ever wonder how to switch back to the old icons on iOS 26? Watch this video next.